What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is, November 14th, which is what? Thursday, November 14th, 2019. It's currently 7:20 in the morning. Just dropping kids off at school. Then I gotta take Nora to go get some stuff for lunch. And then bring her back. She's volunteering at the school. Then I got to drive back home, get my mother, go to the store, get some stuff she needs for work. Then take her to work, which she'll be there. She goes on a Thursday. She won't be home till Tuesday of next week. So. And, yeah, so she'll be there for a few days. And today I basically got the house to myself. My sister Jo isn't there. She's got her boyfriends. Nora at the school all day. Her first class is at 8:05, so she won't get out till about 2:15 this afternoon. So the house to myself. I'm gonna party, gonna relax, gonna enjoy it. And why does the camera look really weird? Hold on. Oh, to me the camera looks weird at times. Like I'll catch it out the corner of my eye and it looks super weird. But yeah. So, not much going on today, you know what I mean? Just hanging out, relaxing. Not sure how long this video is going to be, or if it'll be exactly super entertaining. Like I said, there's not much going on, so we'll see what we can do. We'll see what we can get into. Yeah. Like I said, we do have to go to, I think Walmart. And that's it. Could be wrong. Not sure. But, we'll see if they have any deals on, Black Friday sales. I know Walmart online just released their catalog thing. For Black Friday sales. So, who knows? Who knows? My goal is to, now that I have good-ass internet, my goal is to buy a laptop. I want a laptop. I've been wanting a laptop for, the last 4 years. But it's I'm that type of person that if I buy something that's really expensive, even if it's $150, right? Like, for example, good example, I bought a game for my PlayStation, $60. I'm that person that once I buy it, I instantly regret it after I look at my bank account. I'm ready to take it back. So I have trouble buying purchases. So, here comes Nora. We'll see you in a bit. She broke my heart and all that's left of me is playing this guitar. So, almost back home. Just left the school. Headed to take Nora. Well, it took them to school. Nora came back out. Went and got her some stuff for lunch. A drink and shit. And a bag of chips. And then she's going to get actual a meal at the school, possibly. So I'm on my way home right now, almost to my house, literally about 2 blocks away, probably not even that. I'll probably be on my road literally in the next 35-40 seconds. But yeah, on my way home, we're just about home. Gonna grab up my mom, take her into town, take her to go get some stuff for work, and then take her to work, drop her off, then come back out home, come back home, chill out, relax, maybe make some food, because I'm hungry already, so I still got another hour and a half before I even make it home, if I'm lucky. So, just now turning on my road. Yeah. So, see what's going on here.
It's down here in Grapeseed, it looks like. It went down.
Just got tired.
Almost on scene here.
Took my mom to Walmart.
All the way, people, all the way.
Took her to work, came home, ate a bowl of ice cream with some Reese peanut butter topping. Banging. And then I fell asleep.
Probably EMS on scene immediately. Oh, there it is. Oh my god, it's freaking out. It's a crop duster. It's on fire. What the hell is going on here? Oh my god. Are there any survivors? We're gonna need EMS down here. First responders. Oh shit. Without fire extinguisher, we need. I don't know what it's doing. It's possessed.
I'm tired. I'm getting ready to go get Nora and the kids.
I don't see any people.
It is 20 after 1. I gotta leave here in about 10-15 minutes. Go get Nora and the kids and then come back home and make some dinner. And then I got a league race tonight.
Okay, there's the fire.
So that should be fun. At Phoenix Custom.
Got the fire department here and an ambulance. Just
I'm sorry.
Case.
At ISM, pit adjustments and cup series. So this is going to be awesome. I think I got a pretty decent setup, honestly. So we'll see what happens. And then I always post that video. I got races from this past week on there. So if you guys want to go watch that, go ahead. It's from Darlington and the trucks. And then Cup Series at Chicagoland. It's a pretty good races. But go check them out, and I'm going to get up, get going, get dressed, and be on my way. All right, never mind. I was going to take a video of a car that drove by for my buddy, because I know he likes them. But I didn't get it turned around fast enough, so. But yeah, at the school, waiting on the kids and Nora, since she was volunteering here today. Pick them up, take them home. I got a bunch of stuff to do when I get home. I'm going to be making some dinner for us. I got to practice on the setup. I got one, but it's going to need some work. So I'm going to have to take, an hour or so to do that. And just practice. I really need a win for this league. It kind of scooped me away from the drivers that are in there. But, yeah, I'm just going to be practicing and eat some dinner when I get home. That's about it, honestly. So I'm going to go ahead and end it here. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm trying to think. I want to say there might be a video up tomorrow. I'm not 100% sure, to be absolutely honest. There could be. So, who knows? But next video coming soon. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, drop a thumbs up on this video, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.